Happy Saturday. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 89. 11 more till 100. Look at me go. This has probably been one of the biggest challenges I've faced in a long time, is doing the daily vlog. Everybody I talk to is like, man, I don't know how you do it, how you come up with something to talk about. And that is definitely the biggest challenge for sure. So anyway, this marks our last weekend off and around the house. Next weekend we'll be in Daytona, and the weekend after that we'll be in Daytona. I know, poor us, working in Daytona for a week. But the truth of the matter is it's a little cooler in Daytona. We already live in Florida, so it's not like we're going there for the sun and fun, right? We're going there for motorcycles, and motorcycles just happen to be our job and our passion. So we love what we do, but we'll still be there getting work done, getting videos done, making connections, growing support bikers. I mean, that's truly what we go to Daytona for, and see our friends. Like, we're hanging out with the Shunks and Shines from Michigan. Amanda and Tim from West Virginia are going to be there. Windrow Therapy is going to be there. I mean, all these people we know are going to be there. Belle from Belle's Ride, she's doing a book signing. I mean, all these people will be there, so we get to see them, hang out with them, ride motorcycles, talk motorcycles, hang out around motorcycles with all of our motorcycle friends. It's like being a kid, right? You've seen that meme where it says, as a kid, and all the kids' bikes are laying in the front yard. Well, as an adult, it's all the motorcycles sitting in the driveway. So I can't tell you how excited I am to get to Daytona and see everybody, whether it's work or not. And you know, I have a good job, so I'm not going to complain. Anyway, speaking of jobs, I need to get in there, get me some coffee, because I did work out, I've earned it, and get to work, because like I said, this is our last weekend. It's also Nerdy Badger's 22nd birthday, so it's not like we can work all weekend. We have to celebrate the 22nd year of birth of our oldest daughter. So anyway, we'll be doing that this weekend. Watch for videos. And then I'm still breaking Silver in, so I'd like to get out sometime this weekend and ride her for a little ways. I'm still trying to decide if I take Silver or Red to Daytona. Right now it really looks like Red. I've got Red all decked out and ready to go. I would have to switch everything over to Silver, and Silver's just not, I haven't put enough miles on her to make sure that I trust her going to Daytona and back. I'm sure she'll be fine. But anyway, you know, I don't know if I trust the mechanic well enough to just take off on her. Anyway, I'm going to work. I will see you in a few. All right, just got a message. I got a package. So that gives me a reason to hop on Silver and go for a ride. Go pick up a package. Let's go. Short ride, but short ride's better than no ride. that sucks. I get in there and they're like, we don't have a package for you. I'm like, you sent me a text message telling me you have a package for me. Yeah, it's an enigma. We don't have a package for you. I love getting packages. Now my day's ruined. Well, not really. I got to go on a motorcycle ride. I guess. Let's go back home. Well, I didn't get a package, but I got a ride. I guess something's better than nothing. Back to work. Alright guys, so it's Friday night and we're headed to Nerdy Badger's because she is cooking us dinner. I have a feeling this is going to be a very interesting dinner. She's been on the phone. It already has been interesting. She's been on the phone. I've been on FaceTime with her. And like, how do I cook broccoli? How do I cook this? What about this? How about this? I think it's burning. Maybe it's not. So I did bring my own meat because she doesn't like meat. So at least I'll have that if all else fails. But I cannot wait to see this experience. So guys, wish me luck at getting some food. And then we're going back to redo the bathroom. I haven't told you that story yet, but part of the resin is still sticky. And so we're gonna have to scrape it up, sand it off, and pour more resin. We're not looking forward to this at all. And this weekend is Nerdy Badger's birthday, so we're pretty much booked all weekend. Next weekend is Daytona. The weekend after that is Daytona. So we're like, when are we gonna get this done? So it looks like it'll probably be a late night for us because we're gonna get it done tonight, hopefully. Anyway, I'm gonna walk 18 flights of stairs here and then see what is in store for me at Nerdy Badger's for food tonight. Anyway, wish me luck and we will see you later. Alright guys, so we are back and it is time to work on the counters. So as you can see, these turned out great. Right in here is where we started our second batch. And I'm guessing we didn't get the second batch mixed up as good or something because there are sticky spots. See how my fingers are sticking to that? Oh, you can even see the cat prints where my daughter's cat jumped on the counter. It's actually good over here, but then it's sticky right there. So we got some sticky spots from like here over, which is why we don't have this sink in yet, because we're going to redo this section here and hopefully get the sticky out. So things you learn when you do things when you're an amateur. We're amateurs, but we do like the way it turned out. It turned out really good, so we're happy with that. We just got to get that piece fixed and then maybe we'll get our bathroom back to normal. And since this is our last weekend here for a few weeks, we got to get it done tonight. So I guess I should probably get off of this and get busy. But Mama Badger's not in here. She's goofing off somewhere. So anyway, that's what we're up to. All right. The re-pour is done.
It's dripping now.
It's dripping away. You can see we started right here. You can't really see on the camera, can you? It's hidden pretty well. Anyway, we started pouring right here. Poured that whole corner and this whole piece again.
Oh, honey.
After we sanded it down. So hopefully it dries non-sticky like the rest of this did and we can put it back together
fingers crossed.
In like 3 weeks when we get back. But anyway, it'll be ready to put back together. It's not that hard to put back together once everything is ready. But anyway, that's it guys. What an adventure for today. You'll see this tomorrow. Happy Saturday, and we'll see you tomorrow.